Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. So today I'm going to show you how to do the window switches and door locks in a RAV4. And it is a 2021, and this will work from a 2019 all the way up to a 2024 and up beyond. This is super easy to do. When you turn the lights on in the car, that's the only one that goes on. If you don't have it already, they give you a pry tool. I would save this box and put the old ones from the factory in case you ever want to go back to factory. Don't get rid of them, obviously, just save them. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, other than the pry tool that it comes with. And if you gotta use a little force, it's okay. It's just, there it is. Just make sure you don't scratch anything. And all you gotta do is just push down right here, this little guy here, push down on that, and then pull back on the wire, and come out, pull back on the switch. Really, you only have 3 screws. You don't have to take the other plug out if you don't want. You got one right here, you got one right there, and then you got one screw right here. Take this guy out. This is the last screw. Just take the switches, pull them away. They come right out. These are the replacement ones. That's what they look like, in case you're wondering. A slightly different color, more like a matte finish kind of. They still have that rubberized feel, but they have like more of a matte finish. And the other thing about these, they have kind of like silver chrome tips on the end. All you have to do is put these in like so. Put it back in the same spot that the other one is. It kind of just pushes in. Then you just take your Phillips head screws. The other one on this side here going in. Okay, just make sure that's tightened all the way down. They're all good, they're all tight. Take our plug it back in. Okay, so you can see these guys over here. These are lit up as well as all the windows. Looks pretty good, and it's not too bright, but it's just enough to be able to see in the dark, which is exactly what you want. I'm going to take the one from the car, I'm going to put it back in the bubble wrap, and put it back in the box. And like I said, I would do that on all the other ones as well. I'm going to show you how to change the other ones too. I want to put this in on the front first on an angle. Like, just kind of tilt it down on an angle first, right? And then push it forward. And that's it. And when it's forward, push down and snap it in, and it's all good. So go in here like so. Obviously it's pretty dirty. I haven't cleaned this in a little bit, but I think it's time for a detail. So this is what it's like leaving the door open when there's pollen outside for 5 seconds. Just take it out like so. Just push down with your thumb in the middle and pull back. Basically take the pry tool like this, take the small end and put it in here, and just kind of pull the plastic housing away as you're pulling up away from it, right? As you're putting the pry tool in there, so that it'll just loosen up from the tabs. That's all you gotta do. And this comes out. Here's the new one. Take that like so. Just put that in there. And it's basically just gonna snap in. There it is, it snaps. It's locked in pretty solid. Take the plug it into the housing, and that's it. Just make sure the plug won't come out. Like I said, put the front end first, and then tap down like this, and it'll lock right in. So this is the passenger side door. All we gotta do is take the pry tool, put it under here like so. Just pry up, and it comes up. If you wanna make it a little bit simpler, you can kind of just put the big end here, and just pull this guy out, like from this way, and that's it. It should come right out. And the plug comes right out. Make sure it works. Plug it in like so, and it is lit up, and it is working. All we got to do is just take this, put this right back in here, front end in first, and then just give the back end a little tap, and that's good. That's all you got to do. Get it under there, pull it up. The smaller end, stick it right in the middle, and just pull this up like so. And as the back comes up, it just comes right out. Take your new switch, put it in the housing. You can kind of see this moving. Just grab this, push down, and pull out. We put the new switch in already, so put it in like so. Good to go. That's it. That's all 4. That's how you do it. It's super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you got any kind of questions or comments, let me know in the section down below. Thanks so much for watching. Drive safe. Take care.